from Unikonex.
This is Sophie.
Good morning.
Morning.
Today is the third day in the exhibition. So today we will do some interesting thing.
What is the interesting thing?
Down. So do you know how to make this logo on the t-shirt?
This logo. This what?
No, that's very easy.
Very easy. So what do we need to prepare?
We need a pair of machine and material.
Material. So what is the material?
Okay, this is the vellum.
I know.
Okay. And do you know how to make this vellum into this design? Our logo.
We must first to cut the vinyl, right?
Right. So use our
There's a Unikonex laser cutting machine.
right. Okay. And then after laser cutting, we will use the heat press machine to heat press on the t-shirt. So let's go first. Let's go how to see how to cut the vellum by our laser cutting machine. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's see it.
We have prepared the vellum already.
Yeah, this is the vinyl.
And we have our working paper. So let's start cutting to see the magic time. Okay. Sophie, show us the t-shirt, okay?
So this is the finished one, the logo on this t-shirt.
Wow.
So the effect is so good, right?
Right.
So do you want to get this t-shirt together?
Wonderful. We have make a good job. Okay.